In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablets under $100 on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. BOSTO 12 HD, a H-IPS drawing tablet. The BOSTO 12 HD, a H-IPS LCD graphics drawing tablet is a compact and versatile device designed for digital artists and designers. Display: it features an 11.6-inch H-IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels, providing crisp and clear visuals for detailed artwork. Pressure sensitivity: the tablet supports 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, offering precise control over line thickness and opacity, which is crucial for digital drawing and painting. Compatibility: it is compatible with both Windows and macOS operating systems, making it versatile for different user preferences and software environments. Features: the tablet likely includes shortcut keys or customizable buttons for quick access to frequently used functions, enhancing workflow efficiency. Portability: with its compact size, the BOSTO 12 HD is designed to be portable, suitable for artists who need to work on the go or in various settings. Number 2. GAOMON M10K Graphic Tablet. The GAOMON M10K Graphic Tablet is designed for drawing and digital art, making it suitable for artists, architects, and engineering students. It features a passive stylus with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, offering precise control and responsiveness. This tablet is ideal for both professional and educational purposes, providing a smooth drawing experience and compatibility with various digital art software. It's a reliable tool for creating detailed artworks and designs on both Windows and macOS platforms. Number 3. XPPen Deco Pro SM Drawing Tablet. The XPPen Deco Pro SM Drawing Tablet is designed for artists and digital creators, offering precise control and responsiveness. Key features include 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, which ensures accurate drawing and sketching. It supports a 60-degree tilt function, allowing for natural shading and drawing angles. This tablet is ideal for both art creation and online education, providing a versatile toolset for digital artists and learners alike. It integrates well with various software used in graphic design, animation, and digital artistry, making it a suitable choice for professionals and students seeking a reliable drawing tablet. Number 4. GAOMON M106K Pro Drawing Tablet. The GAOMON M106K Pro is a 10-inch graphics drawing tablet designed for artists, featuring 8,192 levels of pen pressure sensitivity and tilt support. It comes with a battery-free art stylus, making it convenient for extended drawing sessions without worrying about battery life. Compatible with Windows, Mac, and Android operating systems, this tablet is versatile for various digital art applications. It offers a responsive drawing experience, suitable for both professionals and beginners in digital art and graphic design. Number 5. HUION HS611 Drawing Tablet. The HUION HS611 Drawing Tablet is a battery-free graphic tablet designed for artists and designers. It features 3 color options, tilt support, a touch bar, and express keys for enhanced productivity and creativity. With its ergonomic design and sensitive pen input, the HS611 offers a responsive and intuitive drawing experience suitable for various digital art applications. The HUION HS611 Drawing Tablet is a versatile tool designed for digital artists and graphic designers. It features a battery-free stylus, which means you don't need to worry about charging it. The tablet supports tilt sensitivity, allowing for more natural drawing angles and strokes. It also includes a touch bar and express keys, which can be customized to streamline your workflow by providing quick access to commonly used functions. With its ergonomic design and 3 color options, the HS611 offers both functionality and style, catering to various creative needs.